Hi there you guys. Today I want to show you how to make your own lavender plants or how to propagate them. Let me show you how. Okay, so it is so easy. You'll just need a piece of lavender that you will cut from the new growth of an existing plant. You'll need some rooting powder or hormone powder, a sharp knife or a sharp like a Stanley knife or a sharp scissor, and then a pot with your soil with nice light and fluffy soil. So you'll just quickly begin by cutting off. I like cutting off the flowers. You can already see this one wilting, so just cut off that flower so that your cutting doesn't send any energy through to that. Then we are going to remove the bottom pieces of the leaves. Just going to pull that off, and then I'm going to cut this off the bark of the lavender. Just expose that. Quickly give it a dip in your hormone powder, and then we'll just press a little hole in our soil, press that down, and then secure your soil back up again, and that's it. So now you need to take care of this cutting. The easiest way to take care of this is place it on a windowsill where it's quite warm and gets some light, but not direct sunlight. You will water this cutting. The best is to water it from the bottom by placing it in a saucer or in a tray with water at the bottom. Once this plant has grown up, you will start to gradually introduce it to direct sunlight and then transplant it to your garden. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and share and subscribe.